Small, colorful, and fast, hummingbirds are among the most extraordinary birds in the world. Known for their incredible flight and vibrant iridescent feathers, these tiny birds are essential pollinators of tropical and subtropical ecosystems. Today, we explore the geography, behavior, and survival of hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are native to the Americas, stretching from Alaska all the way down to Tierra del Fuego. While you can find them across the continent, the vast majority of species are concentrated in Central and South America, especially within lush tropical rainforests. They're incredibly adaptable, inhabiting diverse environments from high-altitude mountainous regions to low-lying coastal forests. The key ingredient for their survival is a steady supply of flowering plants that provide the nectar they depend on. Hummingbirds are tiny, with most species measuring just 7 to 13 centimeters long. Their most striking feature is their iridescent feathers, which shimmer with dazzling colors that shift and change depending on the angle of the light. They also have long, specialized bills and even longer tongues, perfectly adapted for reaching deep into flowers to feed on nectar. Their unique wing structure is a marvel of engineering, allowing them to hover in mid-air and fly at incredible speeds over 50 kilometers per hour. The flight of a hummingbird is truly something to behold. They can hover motionless, fly backward, and even perform upside-down aerial maneuvers. Their wings beat at an astonishing rate, up to 80 times per second, which requires an enormous amount of energy. To fuel this constant activity, they must feed frequently on high-sugar nectar. To get the protein they need, they supplement their diet with small insects and spiders. Despite their delicate appearance, most hummingbirds are solitary and fiercely territorial. They will aggressively defend their feeding territories, chasing away rivals, including other hummingbirds and even larger birds. They communicate through a series of chirps, high-pitched calls, and intricate visual displays. During mating season, males will perform spectacular aerial dives and dances to attract a female partner. Hummingbirds play a critical role as pollinators in their ecosystems. As they dart from flower to feed, pollen grains stick to their feathers and bills. This pollen is then transferred to the next flower they visit, facilitating. In fact, many plant species have evolved to rely exclusively on hummingbirds for their reproduction, making these tiny birds absolutely indispensable to the health and diversity of the habitats they inhabit. Unfortunately, many hummingbird populations are under threat. Deforestation, the impacts of climate change, and expanding urbanization are all destroying their natural habitats and food sources. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway. These include protecting vital forest areas, encouraging people to plant native flowers in their gardens, and setting up feeders to provide supplemental food, which is especially important for supporting migrating and local populations. Small, vibrant, and seemingly unstoppable, hummingbirds are living marvels of evolution. Their breathtaking speed, incredible agility, and crucial ecological role make them one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more animal geographers' journeys across our amazing planet.